ପିଲାମାନେ ଆଜି ଆମେ ପଢ଼ିବା ଷଷ୍ଠ ଶ୍ରେଣୀ LRP ବହି ଇଂଲିଶ ଟପିକ୍ ଦ କ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଦ ମାଉସ୍। Activity 1. Listen to the story first and we will discuss it after listening. There is a lion and there is a rat. The lion was big and the rat was small. One day, the big lion was sleeping under a tree. The small rat, by mistake, climbed up the lion. The lion was very angry. He roared and said, "I will kill you." The rat prayed, "Please don't kill me. I will help you one day." तापरे देखिवा कौन अछि। Another day, the big lion was caught in a net. He could not come out. He roared and roared. The small rat heard the roar and came to the lion. The rat caught the net with his teeth. Then they became good friends. ଏବେ ଆମେ ତଳେ ଥିବା ପ୍ରଶ୍ନମାନଙ୍କର ଉତ୍ତର ଲେଖିବା। Question number 1. Who were there in this story? Story रे माने गल्प रे के अछंती? Answer. There are a lion and a rat in the story. Question number 2. Who was big? के बड़? Answer. The lion was big. Question number 3. Who was small? Answer. The rat was small. Question number 4. What was the lion doing? Answer. The lion was sleeping. Question number 5. Where was the lion sleeping? Answer. The lion was sleeping under a tree. Question number 6. Why was the lion angry? Answer. The lion was angry because the small rat climbed up the lion by mistake. Question number 7. What did he say? Answer. He said to eat the rat. Question number 8. How did the lion come out of the net? Answer. The small rat caught the net with his mouth. So the lion came out of the net. Question number 9. Who helped the lion? Answer. The rat helped the lion. Question number 10. What did you learn from this story? Answer. If you help someone, you will be helped by him. Activity 2. I am going to read the passage aloud and you listen to me carefully. Then read the following passage silently and answer the questions. Finally, you will read the story aloud one after another properly. The Cat and the Mouse. There was a cat. The cat was very hungry. He wanted to eat the mouse. The mouse was inside the hole. The cat planned to eat the mouse. The mouse was very clever. He could understand the intention of the cat. He did not listen to the cat. He did not come out of his hole. The cat fell to eat the mouse. He he became unhappy and went away. पैसेज को पढ़ियो समस्ते। देखिबा नेक्स्ट रे कोन अछि। Comprehension questions. Number 1. Who are there in this story? Answer. There are a cat and a mouse in the story. Question number 2. Who wanted to eat the mouse? Answer. The cat wanted to eat the mouse. Question number 3. The mouse did not come out of his hole. Why? Answer. The mouse did not come out of his hole because he knew the ill intention of the cat to eat him. Question number 4. Why did the cat become unhappy? Answer. The cat became unhappy because he could not eat the mouse. Activity 3. You should understand the story. Now copy the sentences of the story in the lines given below. रे जो सेंटेंस माने जोरा पढ़लो सेटा देखि देखि के लिखिबो जो पैसेजटा थिला एमती लिखि दबो। तापर एक्टिविटी 4. I will say some words, you listen to me and write the words correctly in your notebooks. 1. Mouse. Number 2 rachi hungry. 3. Cat. 4. Inside. 5. Sister. 6. Intention. 7. Weather. 8. Hole. 9. Catch. 10. Great. Taper activity 5. Read the passage and use punctuation marks, comma, full stop and capital letters. Where necessary, teacher helps the learners. Once there lived a jackal in a forest. One day he did not get food. He was very hungry. In the evening he came into a village. सबटा पढ़िबा देखो फास्ट बुझे मु जाउची। Once there lived a jackal in a forest. Full stop हबो। One day he full stop पर one ओ कैपिटल हबो मु भूल जाइची। One day he did not get food. Full stop अछि। He was very hungry. Full stop in I capital हबो। The evening he came into a village. He small h अछि h टा capital हबो। He was looking for food. Full stop. By big capital. By chance he fell into a washerman's tub. It tub तापरे full stop. It I capital. It was full of blue water. He became blue and the weather jackals could not know him. सब देखि नबो। Thanks for watching. चैनल को नुआ आस्थिले सब्सक्राइब करो, लाइक कमेंट एंड शेयर। हाँ मोर सेकंड चैनल टे अछि सेठी भी सब्सक्राइब करिनियो भलो भलो वीडियो जाको देखिबा को